Hi guys, I am Ankita. Welcome back to my channel. As promised, I am back with the part 2 video of the new launches. Now some of these are recent launches and some of them are not really recent launches, but it's just that it was there on Nykaa and Tira for the longest time and I got my hands on these products now. Also, this is blush edition, so we will be talking about blushes. The first blush that I'm talking about is the Maybelline Highlighter Plus Blush that I picked up in 3 shades. The first shade is 02 Uptown Glow. Now this is a very niche neutral kind of shade. I was really lighter for my skin tone as well, so I don't know if this will complement with skin tones. I did try to work this out by mixing one more shade, but I like the formulation, the way it blends. I wish this was actually a little darker color. The second shade that I picked up is Burn Sky. Now this is really a beautiful mauvish pink kind of shade. I really loved this shade. I think this is one of the best shades that they have in the range. And this will complement a lot of skin tones. Again, it blends really well. You don't need a lot of product. You can clearly see. It's going to add that beautiful flush on your cheeks. I also use this as a lip gloss and it does a wonderful job. The last shade that I picked up is 05 Blazing Blush. This is not launched in India. I picked up from Singapore and honestly the shade is light pink with some glitters. I don't know if the camera catches the glitters, but it does have minute glitters. I really love how it blends and the kind of glow that it actually adds on your cheeks. The highlighter and blush. So I want this shade to be launched in India. Now the second blush that I am talking about is one from Etude House. They've done a very cute blush launch. I picked up in the shade Blushing Plum. It's plum pink kind of shade and it comes with a heart-shaped puff, which is very handy to use. You can either dip the applicator inside or you can use your fingers to blend. Let me show you the texture and color. I told you it is going to complement so many skin tones, and blending with puff is literally so easy. It blends in so well, adding that natural flush of color. Honestly, one coat is more than enough. You can also use this as a lip stain lip gloss. Next up is again a Korean blush launch that I was waiting so badly, and they launched this drop on Tira. This is News Beauty blushes. First of all, can we appreciate that glass bottle? I think it has a very chic packaging and I got it in 2 shades. It's shade number 7. It's a plum kind of shade. Now these infused with skincare, so they have serum like consistency. Oh my god. The more you blend it, the more you understand it has some skincare infused things. It just is very different to touch. The texture, like it blends very beautifully. Also, let me show you one swipe. It has some serum infused. That's one of the reasons why it blends so beautifully. Did you see that? That's the kind of difference. The other shade that I'm talking about is 07. It's a lavender and it blends beautifully, and this will complement a lot of light skin girls. Honestly, if there's one blush that you want to pick up, I would highly recommend this or House of Her. They have skincare infused ingredients and that's the reason blending is so easy. Also, it feels very light on your face. It doesn't clog your pores. It is a very natural looking blush. You can't really say you're wearing makeup, and just look at that flush that it's adding. So this is shade 06. Talking about skincare infused blushes, I have another brand, House of Her, that does amazing blushes. I think this and News are very similar. It's just that House of Her is a little more thin in texture than the News Beauty. Both are very similar in terms of application texture and the feel that you get after applying the product and the look and everything. This is the shade Lavender Flush, Pink Rosy. It's a bright pink that will complement a lot of skin tones. They also have reds and maroons and violets, but I did not think of exploring the shade options. I wanted to choose something that's a little safe. And can you see how does this blend? I told you this is even more thinner in consistency compared to the News Beauty one, but they both are fabulous. To pick up any one, News or House of Her, I will say go for House of Her. Okay, I have one more Korean blush and that's Peri Pera. First of all, this cute packaging just got the attention of mine. I tried searching for this blush at so many different platforms, but I did not find it anywhere. And then I saw Cult Beauty. Now, I'm not promoting Cult Beauty, it's a non-sponsored one. But Cult Beauty had this blush on their app, and the moment I saw that, I got the fluffy lavender shade. Can you just look at the pigment and the kind of texture and the way it is blending? You need a very little one, like a little one goes long way. Okay, I'm gonna look like a joker by the end of the video, but here's me giving you an idea of how beautiful the blush is. Okay, I just need to correct this, it's a little too much. Okay, now it looks so damn beautiful. Like, how someone cannot buy this blush. I totally recommend getting this blush if you're somebody who is a hoarder. Okay, I'm not promoting overconsumption, but if you really are into blushes and you like exploring different blushes and beauty products, then I totally recommend getting this. The last launch of the year is this YSL blush. Can we just talk about how luxe the packaging is? Now this is a beautiful fuchsia flame shade, and I love the applicator. Also, it's a bright pink, so all you need is two dots, one on each side. It blends beautifully. It has a nice consistency. Also, you just need a little bit of product, otherwise you will end up looking like a clown. Unless you have blush blindness, then of course it's YSL. It has to be expensive. It's a luxury brand, but I think YSL is doing amazing beauty products, not only perfumes, but they are stepping into a beauty world game. And this, we have come to an end of the video. All the possible new launches that were launched either in the last 6 months or were launched a couple of months back, I tried getting them all and I tried to feature them in my video. Honestly, these are one of my best purchases. I am not disappointed with even one of these blushes. Like, they are so good, look beautiful on your skin, they complement you so well, and I think they're 100% worth every penny of yours. So with this, we have come to an end, and thank you if you are still here and watching this video, or you have anything to tell me, any more recommendations, please let me know. I will try to feature them in my next videos. Till then, goodbye and see you.